addicted? I might be.
But I was busy. And I was.
So you can't put. Wait.
Hey, what's going on, gamers? I'm in the back of Axel's car, and as you can see right here, it's completely packed with a lot of stuff. We actually had to move some of our stuff into Billy's car, bless him. So we're on the way to Camp Lannis, and it's about nearly a 4-hour drive, about 3 hours left. So we're here with the passenger seat, and bless his heart. Don't put that there.
What a blur effect.
What are you looking forward to most to this camping trip?
Probably just sitting and eating it.
I was asking you. I've got the camera on
I'm
her.
looking forward to chucking tongue in the lake.
I can't swim, so that'll be worrying. Yeah.
I'll let you know how it goes.
And Axel.
Well, actually, I'm looking forward to a reverse hide and seek.
Oh, reverse hide and seek. What's that? Why don't you explain that a little bit?
It's like hide and seek, but you have one person
Reverse.
hiding and everyone else looking for you. And then when you find them, just try to hide along with them. And I'll be the last one.
It's the best game ever.
Yeah, but you're all white, bro. I brought my whole kit, bro. I'm like a balaclava and shit.
He's wearing all these light colours. You can't be doing that.
I'm a
Love
jerk.
that.
Quite wet weather as well, so hopefully it clears up and our campsite's not going to be that wet. For breakfast, we've done the classic Macca's. Actually, the November, 30 days, 30 deals. Really excited to be camping. It's good to take a break from technology, as you can see. Really good to take in the sights and play a bit of Maple Story. Exciting news, our ETA is actually a lot sooner than expected. It's actually to the petrol station. Yay! Oh, we made it.
Hey, we're in the wrong area.
Anything you'd like to say to the camera?
No. I'm on this right here.
We're at the ensuite.
Come have a look, buddy.
Of course. Very tiny.
Is there a
girlfriend's in there?
Yeah, that's almost. It is.
Oh,
Bro, you can sit here and play fucking Maple
Story, yeah.
Oh, what is this? Easy peasy. That's it.
This is the campsite.
That's
Right, set up your tent.
Yeah.
Everyone,
yeah.
everyone get in.
Toilet.
Yeah. Proper shower.
Alright, no.
This is proper room for like
Good shit.
10 people.
I'm actually gonna pay, so
Alright.
don't look at my clock.
I need to go.
Show us.
She need to go. Get out. Let's see you go first.
Yeah, let me go first.
This right here is a man's car. Look at this. He's got the classic like a little funnel here. What is it called? Snorkel funnel. And he's even got the awning. Ooh. I'm really interested to see how this one turns out. How much was this? Like 150.
300 for a grand.
Oh yeah, rats. Oh. Mukbang, man. Hey, there's this guy over here taking photos of me without my consent. You see that? What?
Smoking is banned.
Damn, what about vapes, bro? It doesn't say vapes. You can get vape too. Ripsticks are not permitted to be ridden in this park. My whole personality, it's gone. You can't ride ripsticks in here.
No.
It's fucked, bro.
Wait, why'd you bring your lipstick?
Oh, lipstick's over. Let's just circle around and find something.
Alright. Let's hop.
Alright. We found our spot after driving around for a bit. You can pretty much camp anywhere around here.
I wouldn't mind camping here.
Very good spots around here, but it is starting to pull up just like a bit further up here. And that's what I'm scared of. If it rains a bit more, it's gonna like come up to us. So it's better if we, rather than risk those pools here, stay a bit above, because the water's just gonna run down.
Mate, I just want to wake up and be in the middle of the ocean. Right? That's what.
But it's really nice. This is just one spot right here. That's a nice photo. Like good time of the day. This is the somewhat complete setup. Now this looks pretty darn tootin'. In time went to go get firewood. Billy's car is basically stationary for the rest of the trip. Just that one here. I'm up this table. Oh, a glass bottle. Look at that. And over here we got all of Tan's supplies, which consist of canned meat and veggies and foiled tin plates.
You want to see what's under it?
There you go.
Yeah, mate, that's for you.
Sugar free. Damn. Alright, that's enough of this guy. We've got some first time flyers here as well. It's Harry and Cindy.
Hello, first time.
First time? How'd you go with your time? Yeah, it's actually pretty well.
We practiced at home in the front yard.
You guys
Now we are.
practice that saying as well?
No, because my
It's the
boss,
same thing.
told me to practice building at home, so we did.
What? Who the fuck's your boss, bro?
My boss at work.
What the hell?
Not bad.
Second hand. So Morgan here thought it'd be a good idea to expose my window so we can get direct contact with his window. A brand new barbecue just for the occasion.
Alright.
What's that?
God, it's a caveman.
How many people does it take to build a barbecue?
At least we're doing something useful.
Yeah,
It's ready.
No.
You sure? Looks ready.
no, I need more bro.
We need a bit of oil because it's going to stick.
Yeah, if you spray it.
But we don't have the oil.
How are you going to pick it up?
It's a later problem. Oh wait, this caught. Oh, it's starting to melt.
Oh, barely. That was very anticlimactic.
Yeah, it's starting to.
Hey, look at this. Miss, can we get an autograph? Can we get an autograph?
Oh God, me! My autograph, of course.
Get the camera. Open your boot. Who's that? Jim.
Jim Pam? Woolie's back, Jim Pam?
We've got a couple blankets, got rods, some eskies. What do we have in the back here, Morgan? Care to share? Oh, a lot of stuff, a lot of fishing stuff.
Some fishing stuff.
More fishing stuff. Looks like fishing stuff. You put shit there. James, a word for the camera. Hey. Word for the camera. What's the new court case? How the proceeds?
Tung's a shit cunt. That's what. Tung's gonna lose.
So I've got Renee here. How was the drive up here?
It was alright. It wasn't too bad. You know, there was a lot of traffic. It took us 4 hours. But I was busy. You know, I was on the phone a lot. So yeah. I had to, you know, do a lot of business calls.
Business calls?
Yeah, business
I heard
calls.
you're an entrepreneur now.
Oh, not sure about that, but you know.
8-digit income.
Good to see.
Do the tabloids lie?
Yeah, maybe just a little bit.
We'll hear more from her in a moment.
Alright, cool.
Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks.
It wasn't a good result. Have some.
Very
Bland.
well done on the upside.
Oh yeah, good eh?
This is handy. What's that for?
Oh.
I knew this was handy.
One on both sides, bro.
I need something great.
Dang!
The guy burning his hands, bro. Leave him alone.
So, Morgan, what's this?
No, it's
This radio? Yeah, what's this called?
not yet, but
Well, we have to find out somehow. Does anyone know what this is?
up to here.
If you guys know what that is, put a comment on the video down below.
Hey, that's a nice jumper you has there.
Oh, that's very nice. Where's that from? Wow, look at that. Whoa. Wait.
No, I have. No, don't worry. Right there.
Shouldn't some people help James?
What are you talking about? I didn't see him. You're crazy.
Hold this, hold this. Try and hold this. Bend down a little bit. Bend down.
Do you have a top?
No, not like that. Just kneel like this. Okay. Does it look like him?
That's me.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode we just built a tent which I built by myself. Thank you very much. Here's my assistant right here and another one.
Put the camera on face again. This is going in your face. Whoa! Oh shit.
Just broke the tent. So my start time. Dark time.
Dark time.
Time.
Dark time. Ah, there we go. Whoa, what's that? What do you have?
Oh, what is this here? Got this lovely bottle of Coke in a glass. Wow.
Wow. So cool.
Right.
Cheers.
Delicious. Jumpity dumpters.
Better than a can. What's this called?
This is a tongue.
What's that, Axel?
It's an onion, bro.
Fuck you. Alright. Tell me your experience so far.
It's okay. The food's a bit slow. I think the chefs have taken a bit of time. I think they're not the best in the area. Company could be a little better.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know.
Can we get the manager?
I do. It's the best that we can do, so I think we'll just have to suffice. Yeah. Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are we making here?
Hot dog. A snag.
What do you call that? A sauce combo.
Nice. I don't know.
It's an Aussie combo.
Aussie combo.
Aussie combo.
James, can you bring that aircom over when you're done?
Yeah, then you take another bite out of it.
Ew, no. Tungder Horas.
From J.K. Rowling called the Igabog. The Igabog is a monster
Is everyone on Ghostrifter?
that fights the castle.
Can you do?
I can't
And there's Lord Spittleworth and Lord Flapoon right now. And the king is trying to look for his queen.
Queen.
Yes, but I'm only up to page
Yes, queen.
14. And that's the
Yes,
chapter 1.
beach. Slay.
Yes.
Cheers to that, guys.
Yeah. This is.
Yeah, we'll go by booty.
Slap it, bro. Oh shit. Bro, yeah, this is fucking shit. Menthol eye drops. Yeah. Look at him go. Spicy. Look at both. It's fucking good, bro. Look at those guys. Ah. Oh shit.
Bro, you gotta cover your arms up.
Yeah, I should have.
Wait a minute. All black, get up, bro. It's nearly 1 a.m. Yeah, this is the setup basically. Bed, bags and stuff. Cheeky snack. I get hungry. More garbage. And yeah, it's cozy. Here's that my tent actually has peeping Tom. What the hell is that? Ah! Bingjiling!
Lens.
I can finally breathe.
I'm gonna go behind Billy.
Yeah, okay, go. I didn't burn it, I'm still burnt it.
That's a nice thick sausage there.
Yes.
Fucking crazy.
Yeah, I know.